All right. Charlotte County Court's now in session. Honorable Judge Devin George presiding.
Thank you. You may be seated. Okay, my understanding is we have a verdict. Are there any issues that need to be addressed before we bring the jury out? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, standing out there, I understand that this has been a very emotional trial and a very emotional thing that had occurred. The case has been given to the verdict or to the jury, so whatever happens, please respect the jury's decision. While they are in here, please do not have any outbursts, do not cry out. I understand you may not agree with the jury's decision on what they do, but at this point it is the jury's decision. If there are any outbursts, I will have you escorted out of the courtroom. So with that, can we bring the jury out, please?
Ready, Your Honor?
Just one moment.
Oh, 1 moment.
Okay. All right, you may be seated. Now Jerry, were you the fourth person? Okay. It's my understanding that the jury has reached a verdict. Do you have the verdict form? Could you please fold it and hand it to the bailiff? Your Honor. Thank you. Okay, I see the verdict form is in the proper order. Madam Clerk, if you could please publish the verdict.
In the County Court of the 20th Judicial Circuit in the First Charlotte County, Florida, State of Florida versus Thomas Lewis, case number 17-MN-344. Verdict: we, the jury, find as follows as to the defendant in this case. The defendant is not guilty, so say we all. Dated 6/29/17, signed foreperson, is a majority.
Any requests for polling? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's let the record reflect that the verdict at this point is not guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration in this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room, except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of very difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are, if you choose, at liberty to speak about your work, you are at liberty to refuse to speak to anybody about your work. A request may come from those who are simply curious or from those who may seek to find fault with you. It will be up